What's good with it? It's your kid, Dookie, back again with Bang, budget and new gear reviews so that we get the best bang for your tech dollars. And I'm back with something that I haven't done in a while, a true budget option for my PC gamers out there. Even though people's perception vary, I don't think anybody will disagree that $12 for a gaming mouse is pretty budget. Let's check this out. This is the Aukey GM F2, an RGB enabled gaming mouse. I haven't taken this out the box. We're gonna run through this and see what's up with it. So we'll put the mouse to the side for a second. You get a user manual. We don't need that. This does come with a 24-month product warranty, which is pretty cool. So you got 2 years to test out your $12 mouse and see if it's any good. I'm not mad at that. Let's go ahead and open this up. This feels pretty good. Now, I've used some budget gaming mice before, and this has one of the best feels out of the box. Now, I know with all the lightweight gaming mice craze, with all the holes in them and everything that look like Swiss cheese, this is gonna be somewhat different. But if you're not into the most light mouse and you like a little bit more weight, this might actually help. I'll say right here in hand, it does feel pretty good. I'm able to get a good grip on it. I love the actual shape of it. It's more accustomed to what I'm used to from using mice like this. Right here, you do have a little divot here on the left side so your thumb can fit into that groove. You got a nice scroll on the scroll wheel. Side buttons are clicky and they're pretty big. They're actually, you know, pretty big. So if you use your side buttons, you should be able to get those off pretty well. It's not a real sound test. I'll do a sound test later for you, but I'm not mad at that at all. I know it's a black device on this black and white table, so that may not be showing up that good, but overall for 12 bucks, this feels solid. Now, let's go ahead and plug it in. Do I have an open port here? Oh, nice. So you start off with this Spectrum RGB colors, and that's actually pretty bright. You have this strip going around the bottom here. On both sides, you have another strip right here on the side. Then you have this animated logo. Well, you have this logo that lights up as well. And you also can see the lights here in the actual scroll wheel. They're pretty bright and vibrant. I'm not mad at it, but overall, I gotta say, this is pretty sweet for $12. If I can game at all, I don't know. This might be a win for the budget lifestyle. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hook this up to my main computer, play some games, see what the experience is like, and we'll take it from there. I'll come back and holler at you guys. All right, folks, we are back with the Aukey budget gaming mouse. Now, a few things. I went to go install the software and it kind of make it hard to find. Now, if you go to the actual Aukey site, you're just gonna have to install the G-Aim control software. Now, I found an older version. I don't know how I found it, but it didn't recognize this mouse at first. But if you do go to the download link, which I'll leave down below, you can get the software that does recognize this as an updated version, 1.5 or something. You could go in here and it's pretty much like any standard mouse software if you want to set a macro or a special key customization, and you can also change the lighting. There's not a lot of effects. You get a static, a breathe in, the neon mode that just switches between all the colors. Then you get this rainbow effect, which I like the best. I would either keep it like this or I would set it to one of the static colors. Now, as for gaming, it was sort of like muscle memory taking over. Before I used any of these ultra lightweight mice, I used a heavier mouse like this. Now, if you're used to one of those ultra lightweight mice, it will probably take a moment to get used to the added weight to this. And I did feel a tad bit slower as I wasn't able to snap in the shots like I used to. Now, I'm no sniper with all the flicks and anything like that. I'm pretty much a run and gun, shoot on sight, fire off the hip type of guy. And I was able to still do that with ease, just not with the exact same precision that I was with my ultra lightweight mice, which will probably just take a little bit more use gaming on this mouse. As for the build, like I said, is built pretty quality. I did the sound test. You can see that everything clicks and sounds good. I really feel like this is a quality mouse that I really can't believe is $15. I've gotten mice in from some OEMs that weren't as good as this, that cost $40 or $50. So getting this at $15 is a steal, hands down. If you got a young gamer, if you're not into the ultra lightweight look, or you just don't want to spend a lot of money on a gaming mouse, this might be what you check out. I'll leave the links down below, as long as well to a link to the software. If you're interested in more budget peripherals, let me know what you want me to check out down below. If you know another mouse that you think is either better for the price or cheaper and better, let me know. I'll take them and put them head to head. All right, I'm gonna get up out of here. It's your Kenfo Dookie. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and never forget to holler at your boy.